In some recipes, substituting Urad Dal can be a challenge. It can play a similar role to eggs, providing structure to food. Indian rice cakes get their fluffy, soft consistency from the addition of dal. But there are some decent substitutes you can use in a pinch. Keep in mind, the resulting dish won't always be 100% authentic. Traditional Indian recipes like Medu Vada usually call for Urad Dal that you make into flour. Instead, consider buying Urad Dal Flour ready-made. A good choice for anyone short on time. Black beluga lentils look similar to glossy beluga caviar and offer a nutty, earthy taste. They are highly nutritious and closely resemble Urad Dal in taste, texture, and appearance. Beluga lentils are delicious in salads, soups, or as a side dish. Pair them with chicken or fish. Adzuki beans are mild and nutty with a subtle sweetness. Once cooked, they have a soft texture that is a little mealy. Being a relative of the Urad bean, they have similar characteristics and are great in slow-cooked dishes. Red lentils are small orange legumes that have an earthy, slightly sweet flavor. They are milder than black Urad Dal. But while you won't get the same authentic flavor, they're likely to appeal more to those who don't enjoy strong flavors. Red lentils will turn mushy once cooked. They're useful for casseroles, soups, stews, and purees. Peanuts or cashews are excellent for replacing Urad Dal in tempering. Dal is often fried with spices and sprinkled over food to add crunchy texture to a dish. It can be added during cooking or as a garnish at the end. It is important to chop the nuts to a practical size. If they're too big, they'll dominate the dish. Too small and any liquid will result in a mushy consistency instead of a crispy one.